Unleashing your potential, the power of opportunity to excel. Hello and welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very inspiring phrase that you might have heard: opportunity to excel. Understanding this can not only improve your English but also motivate you in your personal and professional life. Let's explore what it means to have an opportunity to excel, and how you can seize these opportunities to achieve greatness. The phrase, opportunity to excel, is composed of two key words, opportunity and excel. An opportunity is a chance or a situation that makes it possible to do something that you want to do or have to do. To excel means to be extremely good at something or to perform exceptionally well in a particular field or activity. Therefore, an opportunity to excel refers to having a chance to showcase your abilities, to stand out, and to achieve success beyond the ordinary in any area of your life or work. Seizing an opportunity to excel can lead to significant personal growth, satisfaction, and advancement. It's important because it allows you to demonstrate your skills and talents to others. It can boost your confidence and self-esteem as you achieve and surpass your goals. It often leads to recognition and rewards, such as promotions, awards, or personal satisfaction. It encourages continuous learning and improvement, pushing you to acquire new skills and knowledge. Recognizing an opportunity to excel can sometimes be challenging, but here are a few tips. Look for situations where you can use your strengths or passions to make a difference. Pay attention to tasks or projects that others might not be eager to take on. These can be hidden opportunities to stand out. Listen to feedback from peers, mentors, or supervisors. They might highlight areas where you can improve or shine. Stay aware of changes within your environment, such as new projects, technologies, or challenges, which could be your next big opportunity. Once you've identified an opportunity, here's how you can seize it. Prepare thoroughly, research, practice, and gather all the information or skills you need. Be proactive. Volunteer for projects or tasks that align with your strengths and interests. Stay resilient. Challenges and setbacks are part of the journey. Learn from them and keep pushing forward. Seek feedback. Constructive criticism can help you improve and adapt your strategy as needed. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and importance of the phrase, opportunity to excel. Remember, every day brings new chances to showcase your talents and abilities. Keep your eyes open for these opportunities, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone to grab them. Your path to excellence starts with recognizing and seizing these moments. Keep learning, keep growing, and excel in every opportunity that comes your way.